6 losses in a row, which has put me $1,200 down. It's not been the best couple of weeks. Trying to stay positive. Hopefully next week I'll come back a bit fresher and just try and get back to basics. This week I was trying to trade a little bit earlier. Was jumping on my laptop for the 8 AM New York Open. Basically trying to catch that manipulation move. As I quite often find the silver bullet time, the manipulation move has happened and the main move of the day has happened. But it hasn't really worked for me. I've ended up falling for the manipulation. So I think next week I'll go back to normal times. Silver bullet AM session, so between 10 and 11 AM. But yesterday I had 2 losses. I think it's $460 down for the day. Wasn't really in the right frame of mind to be sorting out a video yesterday, so I thought I'd just wait, take the evening, and then come back with a bit more positive energy this morning. But I feel alright, I feel positive. I feel like this is hopefully rock bottom, end of the losing streak, and hopefully next week we'll get back to it. If you're new here, my name is Sam. I'm a beginner trader trying to pass my Topstep Combine to gain 50k in funding. And I'm showing you every trade along the way. Anyway, let's check out the live trade. These are the trades that I took on Thursday the 23rd. Let's check them out. So I'm expecting London highs to be taken first. I think that's going to be the manipulation move for the day. I think I might try and take a quick little scalp up to that London high. We've just pushed down and taken that liquidity. Just popped into the top of that fair value gap and had a bit of displacement to the upside. Just left a fair value gap, so I'm going to enter off that fair value gap just for a quick little scalp. Might actually getting good vibes about this. I'm going to try and get out for break even or a little bit of profit at least. No, that's stopped me out. Now we're having that push up to London highs. Looks like I just jumped the gun slightly. We have one more push down to fill a bit more of that fair value gap. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Looks like we might be leaving relatively equal highs on that high, so I might we've had a fair value gap left open. I might see if I can get a cheeky entry just to catch that push up. No, I don't want to cancel my order. It's not my risk reward that I like to go for. It's only 1.7 and that's if I even get filled. I like to go for 2 reward at least. Yeah, I wouldn't have been filled anyway. So we swept yesterday's highs and had a nice bit of displacement to the downside. So I'm taking that sweep of yesterday's high as the manipulation. I'm going to look to enter short and hopefully catch a move of the day. It's going to fill me on that 9:30 open. I really don't like getting into trades on that 9:30 open. Sometimes it works out lovely, but other times you get stopped out pretty quickly. Last my order filled. And yeah, it's just pushed up and stopped me out straight away. Is that just another bit of manipulation, or have I just got the wrong direction? So that's 460 down for the day. My Topstep account is at 50,250. Yeah, it's just pushing up. I've had the wrong idea. It might be taking this line of liquidity that I've got, that blue line. There's another another target I had. So it looks like that displacement that we got was the manipulation, not the sweep above yesterday's high. Just having a bit of a rough time reading it at the minute. So yeah, it's just one of those things. Everyone has losing streaks. It can be a hard pill to swallow. Yeah, my win rate's dropped down to 31% after that. So that's 7 wins, 15 losses. But I want to try and not let it get me down. Just means there's a bit more grafting to do to get back to where I was. But I've got a long weekend now. Forces me to have a bit of a break, and I find a bit of a break it tends to be good anyway after some losses. If you think you can do better than me, which wouldn't really be hard, I'll leave a link in the description for Topstep. That's all I've got for you. I hope you've all had a better time than I have. Hope you all enjoy the long weekend, and I'll see you next week. Have a good one.